Hi, welcome to MY’20 Mitsubishi. My name's Josh and today we're doing a walk around video on what I like to call absolutely amazing value. It is a 2019 built model year 20 ASX, and let me tell you, these MY’20 ASXs are the toughest looking ASXs yet. Now, starting at the front, I am going to walk you through the condition and the actual features of the vehicle. Being on such low kilometers and such a great price, you can almost imagine the actual condition of this vehicle is pretty much spot on. That front end, the big, tough, new take on the dynamic shield look at the front end with that 3D Mitsubishi badging in the middle, which seems to pop out a little bit further with every new model they release. You've got the sharp headlights, sharp LED headlights, which do give it a very aggressive look, but then you've got the elegance of the daytime running lamp that just runs through the bottom. We've also got LED fog lights and indicators down there as well. Once again, ties in, it makes that front end look nice and boxy and sharp. Condition wise, the front end's pretty much spot on. Side of this, the driver's side of the vehicle, once again pretty much spot on. That first alloy wheel, beautiful design, and it does tie in quite nicely with the white paintwork. Plenty of tread left in those tires, and the wheel itself is in immaculate condition. You've got color match side mirrors and door handles. Now the door handles are keyless, so pressing the button on the door, as long as the key is next to the door, will fold in your mirrors and lock the vehicle. Now, on the inside, seat bolsters, considering it's only done just over 8,000 kilometers, does present really well. Seats are very comfortable in the cross-stitch design. Door cards and the door trims, where people tend to scratch when they are getting in and out, there is actually minimal wear along there as well. The rear windows in this vehicle are privacy glass. The front windows are untinted, so we'd probably recommend you get the premium tint we offer here, because that is going to match that tint and give you the UV protection all over your vehicle. Now, hope you are paying attention to the paintwork, because it is pretty much spot on. That next wheel, once again, beautiful condition there, completely unmarked, and tires once again in great condition. On the back end of this vehicle, once again, Mitsubishi's design of this ASX just continues to absolutely blow my mind. Even on the back end, you've got the LED taillights with that T kind of design on the back, and the multi LEDs on the inside for your indicators and brake lights. We've got rear parking sensors and a reverse camera. When we open up the boot, the ASX is built to pack life in, so plenty of space in the back end, and you've got a parcel shelf on the back here as well. Underneath the floor, just to save you some space, you have got a space saver spare, plus all your jack and tools. That spare has never been used. Closing this back up, very sporty design, as you can see all over this vehicle. Once again, passenger side presents just like the driver's side, beautiful condition there. That next wheel, once again, is almost unmarked. I am very picky. There is a mark there which you'd have to look pretty hard to see, but other than that, the wheel is completely unmarked. Panels present in beautiful condition, almost new, and that last and final wheel, the one that does often cop the most amount of scratches, is also completely unmarked. So as you can see, 4 mint condition wheels. The paintwork and body condition does present absolutely remarkable condition from back to front, and guys, it's on such low kilometers and such great value. Protect your investment and ask us about the glass coat, which is going to give you a lifetime warranty. What we're going to do now is pop the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Alright guys, taking a look under the bonnet now. Let me just open that engine bay for you and show you the iconic MY’20 engine you do get in these ASXs. It is one of Mitsubishi's most famous engines for its reliability, smooth drive, and just how easy it is to actually look after this engine. I do apologize about the slight mud splatter on the engine bay, but the actual engine stats, which is what you came here for, it is a 4-cylinder 2-litre petrol engine with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. ANCAP safety rating is 5 stars, so great to know that you are going to be safe, and it has got 7 airbags. Power output is 110 kilowatts with a torque rating of 197 newton meters. The petrol fuel tank holds 63 liters, and you can run it on your basic 91. Now, where this car actually stands out is its fuel consumption, so 7.6 liters per 100 at an average fuel distance of about 829 kilometers from a full tank. Alright, taking a look inside the ASX now. On the driver's side door, you do get all your power window controls. Front driver's side is automatic up and down. Above that, central locking buttons, your window lock, and the toggle for your power mirrors, including the button to let you fold them in. Now on the right hand side here, you do get the toggle for your headlights, which lets you actually change the angle of them. We've also got a couple safety features, so the forward collision mitigation, your lane departure warning, and blind spot monitors, which also are used for your rear cross traffic alert and lane change assist. Now, if you want more information on Mitsubishi's MY’20 safety systems, please ask us about it, because we will go through it with you in detail. Now on the right hand stalk here, you've got indicators, fog lights, high beams, and your automatic headlights and automatic high beams. On the left hand side, you've got your washers and wipers. Now the wipers are also rain sensing, so they will turn on when they need to. Now cruise controls on the right hand side here, with all your media and hands-free controls on the left. Having a look in the center display, it is Mitsubishi's updated larger display. When you put it in reverse, you do get the rear bar in that camera, so you can back up to anything you need to quite comfortably. Now in terms of media, you have got your AM and FM radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, digital radio, and your Bluetooth phone connectivity. Down the bottom, you've got your climate control. So set the temperature with the left one and set the other two to auto, and the car will decide how it needs to regulate the air for you. Two USB ports down the bottom, a traction control, and a 12-volt socket with a little bit of storage. Leather wrap shifter with a really nice cross stitch, kind of mimicked carbon fiber kind of look next to it. You've got two cup holders, a hard handbrake, and that quite large center console. When you open it up, there is a tray in there, and you've also got the 12-volt socket in there for charging anything. Now panning around the interior, not going to spend too long panning, because on such low kilometers you can imagine the interior of this vehicle does present nearly spot on, so very, very well looked after. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch the walk around video of this stunning ASX. As you can see, very well built by Mitsubishi, and it has been very well looked after as well. Do your part, protect your investment. Ask us about how we can help you protect your investment and customize it how you would like to as well. Being a Mitsubishi dealership, we have got a range of accessories available, but most importantly, I would highly recommend you get the glass coat, because that is going to give you a lifetime warranty on your paintwork, and it will maintain such a beautiful condition for as long as you own it. The other thing I would recommend is the premium mechanical protection plan. It's going to give you another 5 years of cover on top of your existing new car warranty. Sorry, this car actually qualifies for our Platinum 1 program, which is even better than the premium plan. You get an extension of your new car warranty effectively for another 5 years, plus 10 years of Platinum roadside assistance, nationwide cover, and much, much more. Now, they are additional costs. However, if you are using our in-house finance, Julie or Mario, our business managers, would love to talk to you about your finance packages. They're also going to talk to you about how minimal the change in your repayments is going to be able to actually fit everything in there, customize your vehicle with accessories, protect it with the glass coat, and protect it with the Platinum 1. The minimal changes, but it's all worth it for the long run. Just before I go, you need to also look at our Google reviews. It's important to know who you're dealing with, so read through what people have to say, because you will find that you are dealing with a reputable dealership, buying a good quality vehicle, and we are going to look after you from start to finish and make the process seamless and easy for you. If you have any questions at all, the number to dial is 99070555. My name is Josh, and Berwick Mitsubishi, love that experience.